Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take some old potatoes that I've had, and I'm gonna take these out with some mulch, basically some really good soil, and from the rainwater that I've been collecting here. And I'm gonna take it down into this little patch that I kind of grow, and I'm just gonna throw these potatoes. There's some sweet ones in here, and I believe some just regular. Yeah, just regular. And sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes. Like, bake it with some really good butter and then put the brown sugar on it. So anyways, I'm going to go do that. It's a real quick fix to growing some of your own food and how to kind of start if you've got a little patch of grass and maybe an area where the water builds up and the ground actually has the dirt with the leaves, and then it turns it into a really rich mineral um, type of mulch that you can plant your stuff in. So over here I have moved my burn pit, so then I use the ashes to add to a few layers that are there in my square that I've started, and by next year I should have a really nice garden for myself. So let's go. I'm gonna go plant these babies. Okay, here we go. Come on, Bo. This is where I get most of the sun. Right here. About 3 feet tall, 6 inches down. Throw some of that mud in there. Good rich soil. I'm going to take my potatoes, which are nasty, but they're going in the ground. Down. Get down on it. My sweet potatoes on one end and all my brown on the other, so I know when I dig, when I want them. Good, rich soil. That's it. Hopefully then, as the seasons go, the heat comes in, and I've got myself some potatoes, homegrown. Everybody have a great day. Bye. Come on, Bonet.